What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka Mr. Multifamily, aka your property brother. And I just came out the bank and I just got a 6-figure check. Yes, I got a 6-figure check. I have a home equity line of credit that I'm now using to go buy another property. And then once I do a cash out refi on that property, then I'll pay myself back the home equity line of credit. I'm only going to be borrowing this money from myself for about 3 months, so it's going to cost me about $1,000 to borrow this money. I'm actually not even borrowing it from myself. I'm borrowing it from the equity in one of my real estate deals that has appreciated significantly, meaning that it has equity in it, meaning that the price is up here, the value of it's here, how much I owe is down here, and that gap is the equity, and I'm able to borrow against that. You cannot eat equity unless you make it liquid through a home equity line of credit or through a refinance, okay? So I'm gonna take this 6-figure check, go buy another property, I'm gonna improve that property, increase the value, and then I'm gonna cash out, do a cash out refi, and actually get my money back and then give it back to this bank to hold until I find another deal. So this is how you play the game. This is how you accelerate the process, okay? If you just wait until you work and save up enough money to go buy another property, it's gonna take you a long time, especially when you have to put down 25% for that next property. If I was gonna buy another property here in Brooklyn, at $1 million, I'd have to come up with a $250,000. How long would it take you to earn what, $375,000 to then save $250,000? It would take a long time. But when you have properties that have appreciated and you have equity that's just sitting there, it's just dead, you want to make that actually active, and you can do that through a home equity line of credit or through cash out refi. So this is what I'm doing. Just came out the bank, gonna go buy another property in New Orleans. That will be number 10, and I'm really excited about it. And I know that based on the comps, once we make the improvements to the property, it's going to be valued at this. I'll do a cash out refi, get all my money back, and then put it back into my home equity line of credit, which is revolving credit that I can use over and over and over again. All right, so this is how the game is played. This is how you accelerate your process and build momentum. I hope that this blessed you. If you have any questions, let me know. If you really want to get into the multifamily real estate, then go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. Periodically I do a webinar there where I teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily deals. I'd be happy to help you. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. All right, much love. Peace.